We, the Jabus, we don't really see ourselves as from Ojude Oba. The Jabu people have always been open to religion. We're probably one of the first after the Egbas for Christianity and also for Islam. Their traditional day, their culture day, we saw some from Egba, we saw some from Ibadan, but the Ijebu are the steez. My name is Omoba Abiodun Adesoye Ogidan. I'm from Ijebu Ode, from a royal family. Ojude Oba. Historically, Ojude Oba started as a courtesy to the Awujale then, because he allowed the Muslims to settle inside Ijebu Ode or Ijebu land. So what he now did was give them opportunity to build their mosque and do their worshiping free without any love or hassle. You know, Ijebu Ode or Ijebu people have always been open to religion. We're probably one of the first after the Egbas for Christianity and also for Islam. So they now decided that at their own Ileya, after it, 2 days after, they will go to the palace to thank the Kabisi. So going to the palace is called Ojude Oba, the grounds of the palace. There's no magic. It's been building over years. But you know, the world we live in is a developing world, and social media has taken over. So I think the marker came in last year, maybe through, I would say, Farouk Oriagba, Mr. Steez. Incidentally, is a friend we schooled together in the UK. And they took a picture of him that was so sensational. And not only is it sensational, he also was complete. When they did the interview for him, they know who he was and how he is. And he proclaimed or put out the event. And people got interested. And people now said, oh, look, this is something that has been going on, beautiful Yoruba something, let's see how we can go. So basically, it's to do with social media and somebody coming out to blow. The Yoruba history is rich. It's far and wide. We, the Jabus, we don't really see ourselves as from Ojude Oba in our own history. We are from the tribe of Sudan. Our migration came in those early times that people were migrating from the Sahara to the fertile land. And along the line, the leader of the Jebus was able to come across the Oduduwas and Kos. And of course, there was interaction. But the bottom line is, we are all from Yoruba race, one way or the other. So to the Gen Zs, what I would say to them is that we are okay with them. But what they have to understand is, it's good to be nonchalant on past. Because I can tell you for free that in terms of development, it is good for those that created the iPhone, the Facebook, to discard the technology that was before them. If not, we will not have what we have today. But you see, like I said earlier, things are built on records. Things are built on past foundations. You cannot just develop iPhone if there was no Nokia communicator. So for the Gen Zs, all I can say to them is learn your history before you leap forward. Incidentally, I've been coming like a guest because we all lived abroad or live in Lagos, Abuja, and we come in, do the day, stay in hotel and go. But there came to a day when I said to myself, you know what? This is my culture, this is where I stay. Oh, this is where my roots are. So I got more involved here and there. And to what we have today, that we are part and parcel of the development of Ojude Oba. And we thank God that even the international bodies are recognizing Ojude Oba. Ojude Oba 2025 was not just successful, it was extravagant. We have seen other places do their traditional day, their cultural day, We saw some from Ijebu, we saw some from Ibadan, but the Jabu are the steez. We got it. They know it, and they will always come back to us. My family originated from the royal blood. So at a particular time, somebody in my family had been Aujale several times. So people have gone to pay homage to him as the Ojude Oba to the king. So basically, I see that as a good connection to say to myself, let's lay a line down for those coming. We don't know who in the future for my family could be an Aujale. So if we don't support it now, when is their turn? People may not understand why they are coming in now. So the Ogidan family, actually Adesanya Ogidan. Adesanya is a royal family. Ogidan is a nickname of a former Aujale because he was one of the few warrior kings. Ogidan is supposed to mean a fierce person, a lion. So that's why people started calling him Ogidan, because he's the kind of king that leads war and takes charges. And that's how the name stuck onto the family. But the reality is that we are blue blood. We are blue blood. We are royalty. And this is our place. We have to support whoever is the king in Ijebu land. Like our revered king, Anikilaya family, Ogbagba II, Oba Adetono, Sekiro. He is supremo in Ijebu. We have that principle. That's why we have the Regberegbes, which is the groups, the age set. In my own age set, if I was a member, I would have been a member of the Jakumulu, which incidentally today I went to greet them. I saw them, I went to greet them, and they were like, come on, man, what's the matter with you? And, who knows the future? Who knows the future? We the Jebus, are proud of our heritage.